How to use dark theme on Android. Dark theme mode is an excellent way to save battery life on your Android device. It also looks really cool. The simplest way to turn on dark theme is simply to swipe down from the very top of your Android screen and then pull down a bit more to see your Android tray options. Look for one of the tiles that says use dark theme. If you don't see it on the first list of tiles, swipe to the right and you might see it here. If you don't, you can swipe to the right again. For me, I can see the use dark theme icon. It's to the right hand side. It's a circle half colored to the left white and half colored to the right black. If I tap on it now, I'll be using the dark theme on my Android device. You'll know that immediately by your theme turning dark, and the dark theme circle icon is now half black on the left and half white on the right. Now if you don't have this icon, go back to your home screen. So I'm just going to swipe up and then I'm going to swipe up again to go back. Now what you'll need to do is open up your settings app. My settings app is on my home screen, so I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Look for where it says display and touch and tap on that. Underneath appearance, you should see dark theme, which as you can see is currently toggled on. Please keep in mind that dark theme will never turn off automatically. If you want to see more options of dark theme, simply tap on the arrow next to it, and at the very top you get a brief description about what exactly dark theme is. So dark theme, when used, reduces battery usage and makes your screen more comfortable to view. Your theme will change if you have a schedule when the screen is off. If I tap on it again, I'll go back to the light theme mode. I'm going to tap on it again to go back to dark theme. Underneath options, you can see we're currently in the standard dark theme, which turns on dark theme for your device and apps that supports dark theme. Expanded option, on the other hand, automatically applies dark theme to most apps that don't support it. This can improve accessibility and readability, but may cause some apps to display incorrectly. Now, I want apps to display correctly, so I don't want to use the expanded version. I'll keep it on standard. Underneath that, you've got timing. Currently, there's no schedule for using the dark theme as it's always on when toggled. If you want to use it at a certain schedule, you can tap on schedule, and then you've got a couple of options. You can select none, turns on at a custom time, turns on from sunset to sunrise. So you can choose one of these options if you want. I'm going to go with none. And at the very bottom, it says modes can also turn on dark theme. So you can tap on mode settings here, where you can also go about using dark theme here if you want. However, I prefer the actual dark theme setting. Alright, so that concludes this video on how to use dark theme on Android. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to support me on my channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so